Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love camping, road trips, and breathing clean air, kinda important, right? Then this video is a must-watch. Today we're diving into something most people totally forget to pack, but it could literally save your life: the portable CO detector for travel and camping. So grab a snack, smash that like button, and let's talk about this small gadget with big-time safety power. Why you absolutely need a portable CO detector for travel and camping, unless you like living dangerously. Ever had a camping trip where you were almost poisoned but didn't even know it? No? Great. Let's keep it that way. Introducing your new best travel buddy, the portable CO detector for travel and camping. It's compact, clever, and could literally save your life. Unlike that friend who said, "We don't need a tent, the sky's our roof." Now you might be thinking, do I really need a carbon monoxide detector on vacation? And the answer is, yes. Unless you want to wake up in your RV feeling lightheaded and confused, but not from margaritas this time. What exactly is this little hero? These 3-in-1 portable CO detectors are like the Swiss Army knife of air quality. They detect carbon monoxide, CO, aka the silent, invisible villain of the gas world. Monitor temperature, because sweaty tents are not ideal. Track humidity, because moldy campers are worse than mosquitoes. Imagine a gadget so smart it screams at you if the air gets toxic, but also lets you know when it's just a little humid. Talk about multitasking. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel for more awesome gear reviews. Why is it so useful? Let's break it down. Compact size. These detectors are so tiny they could hide in your sock. Seriously, most are smaller than your phone and come with lanyards, kickstands, or magnetic backs. Clip it in your tent, hang it in your car, or let it chill on your hotel nightstand while you sleep like a baby. That isn't being poisoned. Powerhouse battery life. With up to 480 hours of standby time. That's 20 days, people. Some models could outlast your vacation, your patience, and even your charging cable. Fast charging Type-C ports mean you'll be good to go after just an hour. Real-time data. These little geniuses give you real-time readouts. We're talking accurate temperature, humidity, and CO levels. And when CO hits 50 ppm, it throws a party, with flashing lights and loud alarms. But like a scary party. One that tells you to run. But seriously, why should you use one? Let me put it this way. CO, carbon monoxide, is like that one. Relative who shows up uninvited and ruins everything. Except instead of eating all your snacks, it steals your oxygen and can cause headaches, confusion, or worse. With portable CO detectors, you can avoid carbon monoxide poisoning during camping, RV trips, or hotel stays. Yes, hotels can have CO leaks too. Impress your friends with your James Bond level gadgets. Keep your family safe, including pets, who can't tell you they're dizzy. Plus, you can test them using a match, cigarette, or burning paper. Not a Tesla. Not your exhaust pipe. Not your vape pen. Trust me, you will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel so you never miss a travel safety tip again. Okay, but which one do I choose? You can't go wrong with any of these bestsellers that are basically all hanging out together on Amazon like a squad of superhero gadgets. The one with kickstand and lanyard, perfect for your tent or RV. The one with magnetic suction, great for sticking to your van's dashboard. The one with a 168-hour standby, excellent for week-long trips. Or the 480-hour monster. That's the marathoner of CO detectors. All have visual and sound alerts, customizable alarm settings, and rechargeable batteries. If this were a dating app, you'd be swiping right on all of them. Final thoughts. Buy it or regret it later. The portable CO detector for travel and camping is not just a gadget. It's a travel essential, like bug spray, marshmallows, and that one friend who actually knows how to pitch a tent. So go ahead, add one to your cart. Your future, healthy, well-oxygenated self will thank you. And if someone asks why you bought one, just say, "Because I like breathing, Steve." That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining. Give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next review. And remember, when you're traveling or camping, don't just pack your tent. Pack your portable CO detector too. Your lungs will love you. See you next time.